Hello human. In recent years, it's become very common to ask whether milk kefir grains can ferment plant milk or soy milk. It's a logical question, but the short answer is this. It doesn't suit them. Well, and not because they're delicate, but because it isn't their natural food. Milk kefir grains evolved to live in animal milk. Their structure, metabolism, and microbial balance are designed for that specific environment. Animal milk contains lactose, proteins like casein, fats, and minerals in very precise proportions. All of that is part of the ecosystem. The grains need to stay strong. Plant milk is not milk. Even though we use the word milk, it's really a plant-based beverage. It contains no lactose. It doesn't have the same protein structure, and its mineral profile is completely different. From the grain's point of view, it's an entirely foreign environment. When you put milk kefir grains into a plant-based drink, they may seem active at first. You might see bubbles, flavor changes, or even some thickening. That's what confuses many people. But activity is not the same as nutrition. The grains can survive for a while by using internal reserves or whatever sugars are available, but they are not being properly fed. It's like placing a plant in plain water without nutrients. It may last for a short time, but it won't thrive. That's why, after a few cycles, the grains start to weaken. They become smaller, lose firmness, or stop growing. It's not a mysterious failure, it's hunger. Soy milk deserves a special mention because it's where the most confusion comes from. Soy does contain proteins and sugars, but they are not lactose. Milk kefir. Microorganisms are specialized in consuming lactose, not complex plant sugars. Some bacteria can adapt partially, but the full balance of the colony cannot be sustained. Kefir, the matrix that holds the grains together, stops being produced properly. And when kefir production drops, the colony loses structure. That's why some people say, it worked for me with plant milk. What actually worked was short-term survival, not long-term healthy fermentation. There's another important factor. Many commercial plant-based drinks contain additives, stabilizers, and oils. These ingredients are not designed for living fermentation. Some of them actively interfere with microbial metabolism. This is where the real damage happens, not always immediately, but cumulatively. The grains don't die overnight, but they come out weakened and take time to recover once they're put back into animal milk. This doesn't mean plant-based drinks are bad. It means they are not the right medium for milk kefir grains. Milk kefir grains are not picky. They're just specialized. So what can you do if you don't consume dairy? The correct answer is not to force milk kefir grains to adapt to an environment that isn't meant for them. The correct answer is to use the right kind of culture. There are cultures designed specifically for plant-based beverages, and there are cultures for water kefir. Those microorganisms are adapted to plant sugars and different nutritional profiles. They are not the same as milk kefir grains. Forcing milk kefir grains into plant milk is one of the most common reasons people say, kefir didn't work for me. It's not kefir's fault, it's a media mismatch. Milk kefir grains aren't fragile, but they are specific. They perform incredibly well when given the environment they evolved for. Outside of that environment, they may survive for a while, but they don't thrive. Understanding this saves frustration, prevents colony loss, and avoids false expectations. Not everything that can be fermented works with every culture. Kefir is not universal, it's specialized. And when you respect that specialization, the process becomes stable, predictable, and strong. Follow me, I'm Kefir and Fermenting.